Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the camera location tags of this device. So let's go. At first we have to click on a camera button here. And as you can see, here we are in the standard camera view. So from here we have to move to the more advanced settings about it, and we can do it by tapping at the first step this button in the right corner, and from here we go to the left corner to this button with settings. And as you can see, here we are in the camera settings. So to get access to the location tags, we have to slide down to the general settings, which are at the last position here. And here we have the safe location info. So by tapping on this button, we can easily turn off and turn on the camera location tags and save the location of our photo. This is how it works. And also the important information here is that to make it work, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device here. And now I'm going to take a picture to show you how it works. And let's go to the preview here. And as you can see, this is our picture. By tapping on this, we can get access to more functions about it. And we go to this button here in the right corner. And as you can see here, we have the details. So by tapping on this, we can check the details about the picture. And as you can see here, we have the location. So greetings from Krakow. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.